In this video, I will be teaching you how to connect make.com with Vapi. Now, how do you actually do that? First, you need to build a new scenario, and to connect Vapi, you head over to this plus icon, and over here you need to search for WAPI, something like that, or VAPI, I'm sorry. And here you can see we have this option which says verified. So this is the option that you should be selecting, and you can see, let's just choose a call. We have assistants and phone number, so we can choose a function. Let's just say we want to create a tool, get a tool, or let's just say you want to create a workflow. Then you need to create a connection, enter in here your Vapi credentials, and it will be easily connected. And you can also head over to the link in the description below to get first month pro onto your plan. If you are willing to simply get it for free, you can head over to the link in the description below. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps.